So here's my question. Ano sa tingin mo ang pinakamalaking problema na kinakaharap ng ating bansa? At sa tingin mo, paano natin ito masusolusyon? Again, ano sa tingin mo ang pinakamalaking problema na kinakaharap ng ating bansa? At sa tingin mo, paano natin ito masusolusyon?
I believe that the biggest problem that our country is facing right now is corruption from our government, because everything is rooted in corruption. All of the mistreatment that the Filipinos face every day should be solved. And with that, as a legal management student and as a candidate for Miss Teen Santo Niño 2026, I want to use my voice to spread awareness and solve these problems that we are facing right now. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Our finals number 5.